there was a lot of moisture incursion taking place over Goa region yesterday. Due to that, local system development took place in the evening and night, and good rainfall was recorded at many places. Highest rainfall of 6 centimeter was recorded at Mapusa. Panji has recorded 2 centimeter, 23 millimeter, and this situation may continue for next 2-3 days. After that, the weather will improve. It's a separate system. UP and Bihar is having upper air cyclonic circulation over the North India. Goa is not affected by those systems. We have our different system. When there is sea is in rough condition. So this system, this was local system. It was not affecting the fishermen.
Fishermen are free to go in.
Yeah, there was no warning.
South Kola area. Yes. Honje म्हणजे even Ribandar, म्हणजे Hotel, आणि Santinias, many places here only. No, only on road blockage.
Garambia, human
No, nothing.